Hello, Eagles, and welcome to Distance Learning Week 6, April 27th through May 1st. This week, we'll be discussing multiple representations. Representations is not a new strategy for you guys. We have actually done multiple representations in class, so this week will be a review. We will use what we learned about multiple representations as well as some new information to complete the lessons for this week. The objective for this week is 6.6c. Represent a given situation using verbal descriptions, tables, graphs, and equations in the form of y equals kx or y equals x plus b. Remember, you're going to be responsible for doing multiple representation, flipped classroom, multiple representation, interactive slides, and multiple reps Kahoot challenge. Make sure you're looking under the category that says Distance Learning Week 6, April 27th through May 1st. It will have 3 assignments: multiple representations for the classroom, multiple representations matching interactive slides, and multiple representations Kahoot challenge. Always remember that all assignments are going to be graded, and those are going to be put in the grade book. Many of you have done a little bit better this week about turning in assignments, but remember that progress reports will be coming out soon that shows your grade so far. So make sure you're making up any assignments that you have missed. If you're not sure what you're missing, please contact me. Let's take a look at this week's assignments. The first thing you're responsible for doing is doing the multiple representation flipped classroom. When you click on the flipped classroom, you will see a video given by Rachel Sanders, and you're going to copy down your notes in the IMB. Take a picture of your notes when you're done and mark it as done. Please make sure you copy down the notes in your IMB. Now, some of the graphs you may not be able to copy, but you should be able to copy the XY tables and the equations. The next assignment is multiple representation matching interactive slides. For this assignment, please read the instructions. You want to find the matching verbal, scenario, table, graph, and equation for each multiple representation. Drag the matching sets into the same color. There will be one verbal, table, graph, and equation for each problem, and they will be used once. So when you take a look at this, if you go over here, you will have a student copy of that Google slideshow. You are to click on that student copy. Again, read the instructions on the purple paper. And on this student copy, it may be necessary for you to zoom in or zoom out. Okay? And you're responsible for matching the equation, matching the table, matching the graph, and matching the situation or scenario, and putting it all in one color. So you put everything in one color. Okay, this is not the answer, but I'm just showing exactly what I want you to do. Once you do that, then you actually don't even have to share it with me. I will be able to go in and look at your actual assignment and see if it is completed. So make sure you do not delete this assignment from your attachments because it is already attached. All you have to do is do it and mark your assignment as done. So make sure you have turn in. So please make sure you complete that. A lot of people, I had to go back and tell them to complete interactive slides from a couple of weeks ago. So please make sure you get that done. All right. And last but not least, you're going to do the multiple representations Kahoot challenge. What you want to do is you want to click the link below for the multiple representations Kahoot challenge. Make sure that you type in your first and last name. No nicknames. So you want to make sure you type in your first and last name where it says enter nickname. Do not enter nickname. Type in your first and last name before you join in. Once you do that, you're going to click OK, and you're going to get started on your assignment. The good thing about this Kahoot challenge is that there is no time limit, so you can take your time. Make sure that when you're answering the question that you have your paper and pencil available and that you are able to answer those questions on a different sheet of paper because you will have attached that work at the end. Make sure you answer the question to the best of your ability. And take a picture and mark it as done. Don't forget that if you have questions, we have a Google Hangouts class meeting every Monday and Wednesday. First, second, and third period is from 1 to 1:30. Fourth, sixth, and seventh period is from 1:35 to 2:05. I have lots of questions from students that don't attend. I understand sometimes it's hard to attend, but if you're available, try to attend just so you can get clarity on your assignment. Also, don't forget that Fridays are online tutorials. So on Fridays, you need to contact me or sign up on the tutorial login that is on Google Classroom. Once you do that, I will send you a link via your email or also in a private comment, so you can click on our own link that we can discuss what you need on. So they're one-on-one tutorials. The online tutorial sign up for Fridays is under the Google Hangouts section in the classwork section. You click on there and you type in your name. Once you type in your name, I will send you a Hangout link. Okay? Each week that those links are deleted, and then we have new ones. So you have a different link. There is not a link that I've already sent for Friday. So again, you get a specific link once you sign up. If you don't sign up there, just send me an email and I can send you a link as well. So let's review. Our distance learning expectations for this week is to watch the introduction video for the week, complete multiple representations flipped classroom, complete multiple representations interactive slides, and complete multiple reps Kahoot challenge. Remember, all assignments are due by Friday, 4 p.m. every Friday. And hopefully, if I don't see you guys this year, since we're not in the year in school, I'll see you on Google Hangouts. So see you in class.